Hi guys, today I'm making a gravy chicken aka tari wala chicken. So let's begin. 4 tablespoons of oil, 3 bay leaf, inch cinnamon, 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, I'm taking 2 large onions finely diced. You can also take onion puree, but I'm gonna use a hand mixer at the end to puree everything. Once they're like nicely pinky brown, I'm gonna add 4 medium-sized tomatoes, green chili as per your taste, salt as per your taste. I'm gonna cover so tomato cooks a little bit faster. I took up the bay leaf only, and the rest I'm just gonna use my hand blender and blend away. One tablespoon turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons of meat masala, 1 tablespoon cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, handful of dry methi, 1 teaspoon garam masala, these are 25 pieces of leg. You can take a whole chicken, that all I can find, and mix really nicely. Saute your chicken on high for 5 minutes. I'm taking 7 cups of water. You can add as much or as little according to your taste. I'm gonna cover and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and cook it until 30 to 40 minutes or until it's fully cooked. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna add a handful of cilantro. And you can see our chicken is made really nicely. It's falling off the bone, so tender. And here we go, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Please give it a try. Share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, guys.